If you're designing agents for clients, the last thing you want is for it to feel like a generic template. Your clients need to feel that you're designing something uniquely theirs, not some cookie cutter agent. That's where Texas design features come in. In this video, I'll show you how to customize every detail so your agents look uniquely tailored to every client you work with. All right, everyone, to go ahead and get started, let's click on the Design tab. There's the settings on the left, the agent on the right. If you don't see the agent on the right, click on the debugger. For example, I'm going to change the title to Pure Care Dental without the clinic, and here it is automatically updated. Now for the description, I want it to be your virtual assistant. And here it is. Now for the Powered by Pure Care Dental, this will show at the bottom. And you also have the option to attach a link to it. For example, your brand is Design Hub and you want to attach your link. All you have to do is to add a colon and type in your link. And as you can see, it is reflected here as a link. And if you click on that, it'll lead you to the link you typed in. Now for the appearance, you have the option to change the font family. Right now, it is DM Sans, but let's say that you want it to be Poppins. Here it is. You also have the option to put inherit, which means it'll inherit the font on your website, but we generally don't recommend that to avoid formatting issues. And for the language, you have the option to choose any language you want. I'm just going to choose automatic so that it'll automatically translate any labels and placeholders to my desired language. And now we have the buttons layout. You have the option for vertical, horizontal, and in footer. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how vertical looks. The buttons are stacked vertically. This is horizontal, and this is in footer. And now let's proceed to the avatars and images. The launch avatar is going to be the image that the users will see before they open the chat box. This is the launch avatar. This. I'm going to go ahead and set that now. I've prepared some images here. And you'll notice that upon upload, you're going to see your launch avatar as the header image, the banner image, and the chat avatar. But if you want to further customize your header image, you can click on the header image and upload your custom header. I'm going to choose the icon for the clinic. And there it is, reflected as the header image. Now, I want to change the banner. I want it to be the face of the receptionist. And I want it to be a little more realistic, so I'm choosing an actual photo. And for the chat avatar, I'm going to choose the same. And there you go. This is exactly what I want it to look, but I'm not happy about the purple here. I'm going to go ahead and change that later. But for now, we also have the option to change the background chat image. I want to change it to something different. And it's uploaded successfully. You will see that it's not yet reflected here. Make it completely visible. Let's say that my client has a specific set of colors in mind. In that case, we have all the options to be flexible. We have the option to choose the preset theme. There's blue, purple, cyan, pink, yellow, and red. What if you don't like any of these? Well, you can click on the custom theme and change the primary color. Right now, it's purple. But what if I want it to be blue, or green, or yellow, or coral? And you also have the option to change it to light mode, but I prefer the dark mode, so I'm going to leave it in the dark mode. This is, by the way, the AutoGen palette. What it does is, if enabled, as soon as you choose a primary color here, the rest of the 10 colors here are going to change automatically in accordance to your primary color. This just ensures that these 11 colors are going to be complementary to one another. So they're going to go together coherently and in a flattering way. But what if your client has a combination of colors that she prefers? In that case, you have the option to change these colors one by disabling AutoGen. So let's say that my client wants this as the primary color. This is the hex code. In that case, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in and see you when I'm done. And there you go. But what if you're still not happy with this customization? You feel like you're still a little bit limited. Well, in that case, you have the option to input your custom CSS code. So experiment and see what you can do with it. Now that you have the desired look of your agent, let's go ahead and click Tabs Config. Here you have the option to add different tabs. You might want to add your frequently asked questions. Then you can enable the tabs. And this is what happens. You have the option to customize all this. Home, chat, and FAQ. These are the buttons. You also have the option to disable any of that. Maybe you just want the chat and the FAQ. And for the home, you click on that and you can customize it even further. How can I make your day better? You can change that to how can I help you? Display the frequently encountered issues. And then you have the continue recent conversation. As you can see, everything's there. For the FAQ, in this case, I put a Calendly iframe, but you also have the option to display your website's own FAQ in the form of an iframe URL and paste it in here, and you will see that reflected here. For the talk to a human agent, this shows a button to directly request a human agent, but you first need to set up your agency and assign this agent to a client for this to work because, it needs to connect to an actual human. As you can see, it is fully customizable. You can come up with different agents that are distinct from one another depending on your client's requirements. To show a demo to your client, all you have to do is to give them this link. You click on that, you copy that link, and your client will be able to see the agent in action. Let's actually open another browser where I'm not logged in. You paste that in. Your clients should be able to see this in action. We start a new chat.
Thank you for calling Pure Care Dental. This is Jennifer. Would you like to book an appointment? Let's start with your appointment details.
Okay. Our agent has an Australian accent. So as you can see, it is fully functional. Right now, you're seeing the text agent's logo at the top, but once you white label it, you can change it to your own logo. It's customized, personalized, and unique. And that wraps it up for our design tab feature. Next up is the voice tab. If you want to learn how to customize your agent's voice, not just the gender, but also how it behaves, the pacing, how to attach a phone number, and fine-tune all settings related to voice, then watch this video at the top. I'm going to detail everything you need to know about the voice tab. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.